Good afternoon and welcome to the principal news conference of GEM4ME Investments plc that took place on Monday, January 28th of 2018. My name is Oleg Lipovetsky and I will be translating on behalf of the board of directors. Valery Ostrikov speaking. Good afternoon, dear colleagues and friends, and welcome to our weekly news conference. There are a lot of exciting notions to go over today, as well as conduct the last and bonus stage of our New Year's lottery, but let's traditionally begin with discussing technological updates to all three versions of the Messenger. Firstly, our developers put up the latest release last week and it was one of the most successful releases so far, which included realization of the first portion of the Share a Contact functionality, realization of the second portion of the Block a User functionality with a separate tab and a list of blocked users to be introduced, preparations of the server portion for realizing the forward function without any issues, complete refactoring, which was introduced along with stabilizing Sprint, and preparation of the server portion for introducing the Block a User version 1.2, as well as the logic of inviting blocked users to groups and public chats. Moreover, the following release will include the following notion: Android version 4.9 Sprint, iOS version 3.9 Sprint, and web version 30 to be introduced prior to February 13th, with an introduction of the first portion of the forward function, where messages will be forwarded to other chats depicting the author of the original message. Next, realization of the third part of the Block a User functionality, version 1.2, and improving the logistics of blocked users being unable to be invited to groups and public chats. Next, realization of the second portion of the Share a Contact functionality, version 1.1. A user contacts will be able to be shared directly from a chat. And keyboard redesign and its core elements, all the buttons excluding emojis, aka voice messages, geolocation, files, and others will be moved from the main screen as one element. Integration and settings of the app's flyer service for tracking events necessary for marketing. The server is improving the functionality of counters when notifications regarding one unread message next to the icon of the application will be depicted, and Android platform is planned to receive an improvement to the quoting functionality when correct transfer to quoted messages is being made. Currently, we are focusing most of our attention on taking care of our technological debts and errors as we introduce new functionality to the Messenger rapidly, and we now have to rewrite the codes that are holding back the reliability of our Messenger and the whole application. Moreover, we're also focusing on the promotion of our Messenger throughout the world. In other news, the Vion Messenger, which was developed by Beeline, one of the top 3 cell phone service companies in Russia, has been shut down and all of its numerous employees were fired due to the reason of it not having any sources of monetization. In general, those messengers that don't receive a monetization tool are forced to abandon the market, as well as they need to have some unique capability apart from the global messengers that are currently on the market today. Only those messengers that are comprehending a monetization tool will face a bright and successful future. Moreover, those who use our messenger and see that we now have advertising will most likely like to know that based on valuation by Barclays Capital, advertising in WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger will generate an additional $11 billion profit for Facebook by 2020. Back when WhatsApp was being purchased for a lot of money and everyone was wondering why was it being purchased for so much, the reason for it was that it offered a great platform for generating profits through advertising. Furthermore, our strategy of 2019 includes, apart from fully finalizing the Messenger's functionality and market space, we are closely working on developing our monetization tools as in addition to having many users, the value of our Messenger will drastically increase in case we comprehend instruments for monetization. Such monetization functions range from monetary transfers within the Messenger as part of our smart wallet, all the way to advertising within the Messenger and its platforms. We have a detailed plan for monetizing all of GEM4Me's and market space elements, while some portions of them are already generating profits. At this point, the core task is to develop the mechanism of monetization which will serve as the foundation for all monetization, which will also be scaled and promotion all over the world, of course. Firstly, GEM4ME already has a few examples of sources of monetization, such as advertising after calls, advertising in the company's business chats, the Discover platform for major advertisements while we are still developing it, and we also need to grow our user base in order for this notion to be at the peak of its effectiveness, as well as we are working on introducing advertising in informational chats. Most importantly, we are gaining competency in these directions as both our teams of developers and marketers are shifting their attention towards monetizing our messenger. Monetization of our platform will make it worth much more. At the same time, MarketSpace will also be receiving tools for monetization. Firstly, advertising in MarketSpace is one of the most prospective monetization sources of the global commercial platform. And secondly, monetization source of MarketSpace is rent for a market. Once our smart wallet financial system is built in the messenger, all of the transactions will proceed through it, which will generate profits. Moreover, we are currently having such services as Richland and Back for Cash, and our developers have very exciting notions to introduce to these two services shortly, which will be discussed and depicted at a later point in today's conference. In addition, we also had an extensive meeting with our developers in Minsk on February 1st on the topic of our messenger being a platform for numerous services. As of today, we have 23 programmers in our team of developers who work in Synesis in Minsk, and this team has a lot of people who have great ideas on how to improve the quality of the messenger and our servers. This meeting was very productive as we now have distinct view of our nearest future. These are all the notions that I wanted to discuss with you today. Thank you for your time as I am now passing the word to Natalia Arshavskaya, the member of the Board of Directors. Natalia Arshavskaya speaking. Good afternoon, dear colleagues and friends, and let's continue our exciting conference of today. This is a very happy time of the year, and the work has continued at full speed, and I would like to begin by congratulating those partners who achieved new heights on their career ladders. Let's begin with our new Silver Masters, the first and most important qualification of the career ladder, and we have quite a few of them today. Let's congratulate Anastasia Milnikova from Yekaterinburg, Russia, Yelena Altunina from St. Petersburg, Russia, Irina Avilova from Askiz, Russia, Ina Lapina from Yoshkar Ola, Russia, Viktor Mokhov from Kachkanar, Russia, Nina Galeta from Russia, Oksana Savelyeva from Novopaskovskaya, Russia, Kamila Tanabayeva from Taraz, Kazakhstan, Nurul Fala from Bekasi, Indonesia, Johannes Suleiman from Padang, Indonesia, Christopher Bentarin Kamesa from Kupang, Indonesia, Iveta Machkova from Svetlana Sazavoy, Czech Republic, Rudolf Kozel from Shitina, Czech Republic, and Mikko Kaipio from Finland. Let's also congratulate our new Gold Masters of this week. Yun Sakaguchi from Tokyo, Japan, who also receives 2 additional shares for speed. Nikolai Pak from Ussurisk, Russia. Aydin Mangush from Muguraksi, Russia. Lyudmila Rezner from Perm, Russia. Tamara Maltseva from Russia. Baila Kadekei from Kazil, Russia. Alisa Vorontsova from Mangat, Spain. Yana Khrocheva from Svetlana Tsazavoy, Czech Republic. Oleg Grinevich from Owings Mills, United States. And Samuel Santoso from Depok, Indonesia. We have 4 new Platinum Masters to congratulate this week as well. Toshiko Uchioki from Tokyo, Japan, Natalia Tikhonova from Zaporozhye, Ukraine, Rima Gaurti from Park Ridge, United States, and Dana Urankova from Alamutsk, Czech Republic. Alena Rukerova from Gradets nad Moravitsy, Czech Republic. Our partner Dana Urankova has achieved the Platinum Master qualification. Dana and I have been working in networking business for many years. She's a responsible, outgoing, and experienced person. She is always online for her team and will always come to help in solving any issue, will offer profound advice, inspire, and will support her partners. Success comes by means of daily methodic work, and Dana is able to combine many of the core characteristics of success: kindness, intelligence, open and comfortable communication with partners, many years of experience, hardworking, and the ability to keep on striving towards the set goal despite any obstacles, which might be frequent on the path of climbing the career ladder. Dana, you are a true business lady and an amazing person. We are truly happy with your accomplishments. I would also like to note the statistics of our team as we've been actively working on increasing our CCAs over the course of the month. The results truly amazed us. CCA of 1 with 25 partners, CCA of 2 with 1 partner, CCA of 3 with 2 partners, CCA 4 of 1, and CCA of 5 of 1 partner. I would also like to congratulate our new Diamond Masters, those who are so close to joining the Directors' team, and today we have quite a few of them. Alexei Chernych from St. Petersburg, Russia, Larisa Veselkova from Kiev, Russia, Alexander Afanasyev from Grodno, Belarus, Vyacheslav Zimnik from Vitebsk, Belarus, Arkady Osterkin from Kiev, Ukraine, Yaromir Zeman from Nisovice, Czech Republic, and Isa Maulana from Kendal, Indonesia. Nina Karidze from Yekaterinburg, Russia. Dear Alexei and Lyudmila Chernych, please accept our sincere congratulations from Mantos Karidze and our whole team. Alexei has achieved the Diamond Master qualification. This is the highest qualification of the Masters' lineup, and next is the Directors' team. Your choice of the company is a mutual decision and is most importantly the opportunity to realize the most sacred dream. Build your unique house. We are sure that your plans will most definitely come true. Let your dreams come true. We wish you health and confidence on the chosen path. Lyudmila Novoselova from Kiev, Russia. Dear partners, please share the excitement with me and the team in Kiev. We have a new Diamond Master, Larisa Veselkova. Back in the day, a shy woman came to me. She listened to me with her eyes wide open. She would make her first moves in our business very quietly and carefully. Today, she is a Diamond Master. Dear Larisa, I truly respect you and your desire to grow in our business. Go for it. Strive for new heights. I wish you creative approach to solving issues, creative thinking, a growing team, and large checks. Conquer new heights. The team is always near you. Thank you for your determination and a great work result. Natalia Ivanova from Alexin, Russia. Congratulations to Alexander Afanasyev for his major victory, achieving the Diamond Master qualification. Alexander, you joined our business about 2 years ago and are conquering one height after an hour so rapidly, despite having 3 young children, a business, building your dream house, and many other hobbies. You've set ambitious goals and are striving towards them. You've also created a respectable portfolio. Your CCA is at 5, and you were one of the first ones to achieve it. Most importantly, people started following you, and your team has leaders who are just as ambitious as you. We wish for your business to develop even more rapidly and for new countries to be opened. Good luck to you and your team in Grodno. Veronika Kozhikova from Yekaterinburg, Russia. Congratulations to Vyacheslav Zimnik for achieving the Diamond Master qualification. Vyacheslav is one of those partners who are determined to achieve their set goals. I would also like to note his unique traits of character, the never-ending optimism and belief in the project. I would like to wish for your earnings and portfolio of shares to keep on growing and for your team to continue gaining like-minded people, while for the difficult business tasks to be solved quickly. I wish for you to join the Directors' team the soonest. Sergei Samsonov from Auckland, New Zealand. I am excited to congratulate a special leader. He is the leader who introduced GEM4ME to the whole Indonesia. He is the leader who writes posts that help other partners successfully make new contracts and host negotiations with potential investors. I would like to congratulate Arkady Osterkin for achieving the Diamond Master qualification. Arkady, you've closed the highest career step of Masters and you've truly deserved this qualification. Your input in the international development of GEM4ME is priceless. I am sure that this high qualification will give you more energy and motivation to join the Directors' team the soonest. The most interesting happens there. The first director merged into your Indonesian team today. Bravo! I am sure that this is just the beginning and you will have many bright directors in your team. Both you and your team have a bright future with GEM4ME. We are impatiently waiting for you to join the Directors' team the soonest. Alena Rukerova from Gradec nad Moravice, Czech Republic. Greetings to all the partners. Firstly, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to my sponsor, Galina Bashevan. I closed a new career qualification at the end of 2018 and it was a wonderful gift for the new year. I would like to sincerely congratulate a new Diamond Master, Yaramir Tseman. Yaramir is a person with an unbending wheel. Being handicapped, he manages to work in the project at the same pace as other partners. He hosts presentations and is actively building his team, while sharing his rich experience of working in a networking company and teaches other partners. When one has such a goal-oriented person in his or her surrounding, any obstacles are seen as a minor mishap. Anyone is fully focused on the goal and does everything possible to achieve it. Thank you, Yaramir, for the cooperation and friendship. We wish for you to keep on climbing the career ladder and inspire others with your example, those who are searching for true values in life. Edwin Soro from Kupang, Indonesia. Greetings everyone, my name is Edwin Dijerim Soro and I am a GEM4ME Silver Director from Indonesia. I would like to congratulate partners of my team for achieving new career qualifications. Several of my Indonesian partners achieved Silver Master, Gold Master, and Diamond Master qualifications this week. Congratulations to all, and I wish you continuous accomplishments. I would like to especially congratulate my partner Iza Molana for achieving the high status of Diamond Master. I would like to thank him for cooperation and an amazing job of promoting the project in Indonesia. Keep on working hard in order to join the Directors' team the soonest. I wish you great accomplishments and results. In other news, we have a brand new Silver Director this week. This qualification is the true depiction of one's hard work, determination, and striving for success. I would like to congratulate Edwin Dijerim Soro from Kupang, Indonesia. Arkady Osterkin from Kiev, Ukraine. Dear Edwin, I am sincerely happy with your accomplishments and it is great to know that we are mutually developing with an asset that will enrich our reality in the nearest time. I can say with confidence that Edwin is the perfect example not only for the whole team in Indonesia, but also for many people. He knows exactly what he needs and is always striving for the best. During our webinars, he would obviously frequently say that Indonesia is a country where doing business is hard and the quality of life could be better. However, this country has people who want to be happy and Edwin is gathering such people right around him. Each day, they share experiences and communicate with one another. Together and step by step, they are promoting the project ahead and show great results each day. They are a team and Edwin is a professional leader and a teacher who shows them his personal example. Moreover, he's always remaining a heartfelt and friendly person. I am sincerely happy that fate has united our paths and we are making life brighter around us together. I would like to thank the whole team of Indonesia for their hard work. And most importantly, dear Edwin, congratulations for achieving the Silver Director qualification. Yulia Vitko from Odessa, Ukraine. The first Ukraine-wide GEM4ME event took place on January 26 in a marvelous and fully packed hall of Kiev with participation of great speakers Edward and Yulia Vitko, Artyom Smagley, Tatiana Varonova, and head of UCT Group of Companies Dmitry Pavlov. Partners and guests from various cities of Russia and Ukraine were present at the event. It was great to see many young people at the event as they were very enthusiastic about Artyom Smagley's speech about investing into new technologies. We even had to extend the time of the hall's rent as no one wanted to leave. A bright meeting for investors in Ukraine was finalized with exciting nominations of Best Recruiter and Maximize CCA in January. The Golden Award for Personal Imitations was received by Arkady Osterkan from Kiev, while Nadezhda Kamopkina from Kiev received a Golden Award for first place in personal purchases in January. 2 silver awards were taken by Tatiana Pavelka, while Tatiana Varonova took the Bronze Award. The start of a new economy of people's investing in Ukraine was set in stone. Having returned from another tour, I realized how hard it is to start up offices in cities without systemized work culture. I offered for the administration to create an educatory system and center in Yekaterinburg for learning the system. The system is a navigator that helps partners to march towards success and allows to generate professional leaders and build profitable teams. Natalia Arshavskaya agreed with this notion and set it off for the center to open. The work has begun and we found an office in the center of the city in one of the best business centers. The question regarding a backup speaker was solved quickly. Veronika Kozuchova accepted the offer. The system of educational introduction has set off. We would like to thank all the participants who were with us over the course for 6 days and actively participated in the work, as we had great feedback each day. We created a separate chat for the participants of the system and everyone received a work plan for themselves and their office. Once a week we will exchange results, summarize, and correct the plans. We will also have the first educational session to be hosted as part of the system, and you are welcome to join us. Yelena Gir from Perm, Russia. The first notion to inspire us in Yekaterinburg after attending the event was the beautiful business center building and the modern office where us, partners from various cities in Russia, were met with excitement by Zoya Samonova and Veronika Kozuchova. I am very happy for the company's educatory center to be available. Now, everyone who completes the educatory session will be able to launch the club system and independently build a large network of partners in any city. We discussed a lot of topics, including such important moments as how to set up a fork success, what it depends on, how to change one's thinking to being a manager, and what qualities need to be developed in order to achieve success yourself and help others succeed as well. The new system will be groundbreaking for the turnover and will increase the professional level of everyone who wishes to be successful and financially independent. I would like to thank the company's administration for such a wonderful gift. Natalia Buzikova from Polivskoy, Russia. The 6 unforgettable days of learning the Path to Success Academy have come to an end. It is impossible to evaluate the value of this event. An unlimited gratitude to our speakers, Zoya and Vladimir Samonov, Veronika Kozuchova, Tatiana Mogilnikova, Marina Usova, Anton and Alexander Pivovar. The money machine inspired all of us to act. Each participant of the event has learned a lot. The overall synergy was boiling over on the last day. We also had a wonderful gala dinner prepared by our mentors. It is impossible to explain everything as such events need to be attended in person. Live communication with like-minded people, personal growth, and the desire to be driven by one goal will most definitely lead to mind-blowing success. At the same time, the events will continue to be hosted in various cities and countries through February, and based on the reviews from previous events, these conferences prove to be very effective and profound for those who attend them. Be sure to contact the host for the events that you are wishing to attend in order to reserve your spot for attendance. In other news, those wishing to participate in our annual corporate trip, which this year is going to take place in Mauritius, need to complete the following conditions in order to participate. Partners with a Diamond Master qualification and above accumulate discounts in their wallets for the holidays while the promotion is valid. 100 euros is received by a sponsor for every 3,000 euro worth of turnover generated by his or her personal partners, while 50 euros received by a partner for every 3,000 euro worth of turnover generated by his or her secondary line. Consequently, there are many partners who have already started working up towards major discounts for their trip to Mauritius in 2019, and this table depicts those individuals and the amounts that they've already earned towards their trip. The table has been continuously growing and expanding each week, and it is great to see so many partners working hard towards their discounts for the corporate trip. I am sure that many more partners will be depicted on this table next week, as well as many partners on this table will earn this trip for free. I am excited to see as many of you join us as Mauritius soon enough as possible. On this exciting note, I would like to pass the word to Alexander Kachinovsky, the member of the board of directors, who has very exciting news regarding our latest technological update and also will conduct the very last stage of the New Year's lottery. Alexander Kachinovsky speaking. Good afternoon, dear colleagues and friends, and let's continue our conference today as I also have exciting news to discuss and introduce brand new technological aspects. Firstly, let's begin by discussing the traditional news regarding our business and all the updates for the following week. I would like to note that we've achieved yet another margin. We now have more than 7 million of current users of the Messenger, and it is very exciting to see our application grow and prosper, while at the same time we are getting closer and closer to 10 million of users mark, and the speed of promotion will only grow from there. Moreover, I would like to congratulate our partners who earned the most over the course of last week. Those who kept on promoting our project and working hard to bring us to our one mutual goal. We've had a very interesting week this time, and the geography of top earning partners is very widespread. While the earnings this week start with 1,200 euros, and let's congratulate Rubtsovsk, Burmakina, Russia, with 1,200 euros. 1,282 euros in Gradec nad Moravice, Czech Republic. 1,356 euros in Bengkalis, Indonesia. 1,400 euros in Maple, Canada, followed by 1,500 euros in Kaliningrad, Russia, and Tokyo, Japan. 1,600 euros in Lohja, Finland. 1,610 euros in Pervouralsk, Russia. 1,653 euros in Kupang, Indonesia, followed by 1,757 euros in Kendal, Indonesia, 1,800 euros in Tokyo, Japan, 1,900 euros in Ufa, Russia, and Toronto, Canada, 2,000 euros in Yekaterinburg, Russia, followed by 2,090 euros in Kiev, Russia, 2,200 euros in St. Petersburg, Russia, 3,000 euros in Kiev, Russia, 3,700 euros in Park Ridge, United States, 4,800 euros in Maple, Canada, 5,000 euros in Tokyo, Japan, 8,338 euros in Murmansk, Russia, and last but not least, 12,200 euros Kiev, Ukraine. Moreover, our top earning partner of last week is from Kiev, Ukraine, with the amount of 12,200 euros. Congratulations to the partner on earning such a respectable amount in just a week, and we are looking forward to seeing the earnings next week. In other news, I have a few very exciting announcements to make. Firstly, there are technical updates currently being made in the shareholder cabinet and the registrar's database. As a result, new shareholders are temporarily not being enlisted in the registry, and tentatively, such updates should be completed no later than by February 15th. Partners who are already enlisted in the registry of shareholders and make purchases are synchronized, and the amount of their shares is updated. And we ask you to not be worried, as the period for when documents can be submitted will be extended, and all shareholders will have enough time to submit the required documents and will be enlisted in the registry of shareholders. We thank you for your understanding. Additionally, another exciting announcement of today is regarding our Richland service, which is a bot that helps its subscribers trade on markets of encrypted currencies and earn profits from doing so. Well, today, we are excited to introduce a new milestone to the service called Copy Trade. Back when we started, the service was operating as trading signals from professional traders on the market of encrypted currencies who would monitor the market and send signals of when it is best to buy a particular currency, which would generate profits for the subscribers of the service. We are excited to announce the latest addition to the service. Copy Trade now allows for the service to be fully automated, as subscribers of the service now don't need to be directly involved in the process, and the system does it automatically for them. Trading will become fully autonomous and will generate profits for subscribers of the service without their direct involvement. Furthermore, signals will be copied from your hold deposit on the Binance Exchange platform, which is connected to our bot. And 10% of free capital is always used when purchasing an asset on the exchange platform through the bot's signal. For example, in case your deposit is $10,000 and the signal is received, then $1,000 will be used to purchase an asset. Let's assume that you earn 20% from that signal and your balance will now be $10,200. Consequently, the next signal will also use 10% from the available capital, i.e. $1,020. This allows for you to always have available funds to purchase the next asset and also diversify your balance regardless from the size of your capital. Now, the use of the copy trade system is a paid service for all the subscribers, and it is necessary to deposit funds to one's Richland account in the bot, and funds will be withdrawn for the account daily in accordance to the tariffs. Commission amount depends on the deposit amount, which is depicted on this slide. More detailed information is available in both the bot and on the website. This is a major breakthrough for the service and all of its subscribers, and we are happy to introduce it. This is one of the monetization tools for our messenger, and this notion will be generating profits to the platform and is a very unique feature of our application today. Please note, the referral rewards, which can be used for paying for the copy trade service as well, will be deposited to the wallet directly. All daily transactions and payments participate in the 10-stage Richland referral program, which means each transaction generates rewards for the uplink. And yet another exciting announcement is the price of standard subscription for Richland Trade Signals remains the same, $49 per month. In other news, the 2 packages of shares for one action promotion has been active since October of 2018 and is a quite popular in demand, and yet we had to slowly decrease the complimentary percentage of shares that a person receives with the purchase of a package. And as of now, the bonus amount of shares is decreased to 65%. Yet, these are shares that are received completely free of charge, complimentary, and this promotion is valid until February 4th of 2019. So be sure to take advantage of this promotion while it is still available. Let's now see the excited reviews from the winners of last week before we get to this week's lottery drawing and we get to other exciting portion of today's conference, our very last stage of the New Year's lottery. Vitaly Petrukovsky from Vasilishki, Belarus, winner of an iPhone XR. I learned about GEM4ME from my business partner Alexander Afanasyev. I did not believe him right away and didn't give it much thought at first. I said that I would join the project when the amount of downloads would reach 10 million. However, due to Alexander's persistence, for which I am very grateful, I made myself think more regarding the topic, which took me about 3 months. A month ago, having made my first step in the project, I started telling my relatives and friends about the project and earned myself a CCF 4. My victory in the lottery was fully unexpected for me, as I've never won anything in my life and I am used to believing only in myself. I would like to thank GEM4ME's administration for a wonderful gift, an iPhone XR. Oleg Grinevich from Owings Mills, United States, winner of an iPhone XR. Dear friends, I would like to thank the administration of our project, GEM4ME Messenger. They always demonstrate that they do everything for us. During the 533 days that I am a part of this wonderful project, I experienced this notion myself. I have never won anything in my life in any lottery, and now, such a luck. I would like to thank my sponsors Irina Rylova and Lydia Kuzmenko for inviting me to join this wonderful project. This is just the beginning. Valentina Nikonova from St. Petersburg, Russia, winner of an iPad. Greetings, dear partners. My name is Valentina and I am 78 years old. I became a GEM4ME partner back in 2016. I was truly interested by the project as this was the first time I encountered such a company. I believed in how serious the company is and my inner voice said yes. I decided to participate in the lottery as I truly wanted to win a gadget that I was trying to purchase for such a long time now. The victory which I was notified of by my sponsor Sergei Ponomaryov was a very pleasant surprise. I was reassured once again that everything depends on the person and his or her desire. Dear directors, please accept my gratitude. My victory so happened to be exactly what I wanted. I wish for all the partners to have their dreams come true, and I wish them well-being. And without any further ado, let's begin the sixth and last round of our New Year's lottery. Let's begin with finding out who will get the first Samsung Galaxy J7. And the winner of our first time drawing today is from Yoshkar Ola, Russia. Her name is Ludmila Yemilyanova and she just won a brand new Samsung. Congratulations to Ludmila. Let's move on to the second Samsung of today, and it's taken by Dayanti from Jakarta, Indonesia. Congratulations on the win to Dayanti, and it is exciting to see these two prizes embark to Indonesia, as their team has been working very actively over the course of recent weeks. Let's now move on to the next category of prizes. And in the following category, we will be drawing 2 iPads, and I am excited to see what countries they will be sent to as well. Let's start the drawing, and the first lucky winner of this gadget is Feni Sri Mulyani from Jakarta Timur, Indonesia. Congratulations, Feni. It is great to see the second partner in Indonesia to win a prize this week. And now, let's move on to the second iPad, and it is taken by Warsini from Kabupaten Magetan. Yet another partner from Indonesia takes it. Congratulations to the whole team in Indonesia on a very productive week so far. Let's move on to the third category of prizes, 2 iPhone XR. Let's draw the first iPhone XR, and the lucky winner of this brand new gadget is Yulia Strechkova from Maple, Canada. Congratulations, Yulia, and let's find out who wins the second iPhone XR, and it is Ludmila Kardash from Grodno, Belarus. She is the winner of the second iPhone XR of today, and it is great to see that both prizes are going to the various cities and different countries. And lastly, let's conclude by drawing the most anticipated and desired gadget, iPhone XS. Let's see who is truly lucky today. Let's start the drawing, and it turns out to be Gennady Partnov from Pervouralsk, Russia. Congratulations on your brand new iPhone XS, and it is great to see how so many partners from all over the world are receiving great prizes this week. Let's see where the last gadget of today will go. Another iPhone XS goes to Janet Cloud Mose from Kinsdale, United States. Congratulations to all the winners of today. These are all well-deserved prizes. On this note, I would like to thank everyone for their time. I wish for everyone to have a very successful week, and until we meet next time.